Hi, welcome. I'm just finishing off my Stuka by Trumpeter 1:24 scale. On the last video, I wasn't sure whether to put the engine in because, as you can see, there's quite a bit into the engine, quite a bit of detail. But I did actually then I did paint the engine, and as you can see, you see nothing apart from where the propeller would go, but even then, once it's on, you won't see anything, and the exhaust is the only part. But after a comment on the last video, I did actually paint it, and it was enjoyable doing it, even had a PE part that went on. The other PE parts you get is here. You do get the plastic one that you could put on, which would look okay, but I went for the PE part. I don't know why they've just done that and nothing else in PE parts, maybe because I'm trying to curve it. I'm not sure on that. The other part I've finished now is the cockpit. There's a bit of detail on there. The actual seat belts, it doesn't come with any seat belts. That is actually just masking tape. So that's completed now. There's no actual painting details for any of this, so I'm not sure what colours that would be. But that's now completed. So for the sides of the cockpit, again, it doesn't, the only thing I painted these, but apart from that, it doesn't show you any colours which to paint. These look like they were switches, so I just put some yellow and red on them. The other part is the instrument panel. Now they do give you a decal for this, which I did stick on, but really now I don't think I needed to. You know, there was a lot of detail underneath. So again, they don't give you any colour for the instruments. So I've painted some of them in. I don't know if you can see, it's just about, that they're sort of glossy where the instruments are. On that, there was a couple of ideas I had. I did use a gloss varnish on some, and I actually used this. I thought I'd give it a try. It's actually a water texture, and I put them on, and that actually came out a lot better than the varnish, just to give the instruments a look like there's glass or perspex, whatever they used on it. So that's not too bad. On the fuselage, I gave it a coat of the grey, the same that's on here. But again, when you put it all together, it looks like you won't see anything. But then it is enjoyable, I suppose, painting things up like I did with the engine. And you do know that it's in there, even though there's nothing you can see. I don't think you can see anything in there. Again, with the cockpit detail, all they show is, you know, this is black grey, and most of it's just grey. But apart from that, really, no other colour, just the greys. Now, I'm not sure whether this is and this is a fire extinguisher. It looks like it, so I did actually paint them red. The propeller's been finished, and there's quite a bit of detail inside here, inside the propeller. So when you get to the wings, they do say to drill holes here, which I don't think I'll be doing. It looks like the holes are just for these. You can have different options, it says, but I won't be putting these on. I'll just be putting the main one on, because I'm not sure if I've seen them with these on. I'd have to look up, but I'm not sure. Well, I shall now get on to putting it all together. Well, this bit mainly, and as I say, there's a lot of parts and there is a nice lot of detail in it. I shall get on with this and I'll see you very soon, and thank you for watching.